Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So this is a continuation on from the last video. Well, actually, everyone is a continuation on from the last video. Anyway, guys, we are over here at Showtime Speedway in Clearwater, Florida. We have a eighth mile drag strip right over here, and we also have yeah, a little drift circuit kind of thingy going on right over here. So today is just kind of a nice event going on. It's gonna be drifting, drag racing, you name it. There's also some sweet cars here. Let's go check them out. So, Black Widow Supra. Who the hell is that? You know who this Black Widow Supra guy is?
I heard the guy's a jerk.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, man. I mean, he's not that bad of a guy. I met him once.
I mean, I don't know. Tampa Bay Car Meets like literally says the guy's a jerk. So if they say he's a jerk, he has to be like the biggest douche and have the slowest Supra on the planet. So
well, you know what people say, whatever is on the internet is true. So
I mean, I'm 100% with you. Like, it's 100% true. Like, it is the slowest. You know what? I'm gonna message Black Widow. I'm gonna be like, yo, dude, seriously, like, why don't you just put like slowest Supra in the world on your car? And I'm pretty sure, because I know who he is. He's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure he's gonna put slowest Supra in the world on his car somewhere.
So the show is gonna actually be starting in, I think, like 20 minutes. So we're just gonna, I don't know what's going on back there, but we're just gonna chill for a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. Check this out, guys. Now, if you guys saw my cinematic edit video, this 34 was in it, but now it's actually, you know, the light time. Light time. That doesn't make any sense. In the light, oh man, it's super clean. He's even got the green on the Brembos to match the wheels. Good touch. Good touch. Man, oh, I didn't even notice the diffuser on the bottom before either. That's nice. That is nice. I'm gonna see if he wants to do a video for sure, because I think y'all would like that. Oh, and the spool bus over here. The spool bus. I've definitely never seen one of these in person, so I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know what this is. Mike, what is this? I've never seen one. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's like definitely bus because it's yellow. So we've just been given keys. We've just been given keys to the beast. All right, so we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah, guys. We're scooping it out right now. Oh wow. Even got the green stitching and everything. Check it out, guys. Oh man. Well, this is what an inside on R34 GTR looks like. It's pretty nice, huh, guys? Wow, green everywhere in this car. Very cool. Very cool indeed. It's alright.
Okay. Holy shit, 2JZ, no shit.
Really? Wait, these are 2J? I thought these were, okay.
It's coming right in your mouth. It's
straight up. Everything's really clean in here.
This is carbon fiber.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. Carbon No,
wow.
Well, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off. This is gonna be a lollipop
cool.
red, lollipop red. Probably do fuel rail, lollipop red, probably do that.
What is going on here? What is this? You don't see that every day. So yeah, this is one of the drift teams that are gonna be drifting tonight. I like the matching colors. This is sick because it is wide body. Hell yeah. It's gonna be fun watching that thing drift. Just can't get over this R34 v-spec. This is just, I can't get over it, guys. I can't get over it. He 2 steps at one time, and then there's just like a bunch of people all around. Out there. That was for all you haters. I know this man's not in a hot dog suit. I know he's not in a hot dog suit. My man, Halloween early. Halloween early. Yeah. All right. Yeah. It's a Pro Charger. Don't worry. It's a Pro Charger. You gotta give it like a charger. Yeah. 30 seconds. We're revving from the inside because that's cool. The belt squeak is it's okay. In the R34, got a squeaky belt.
We got a very squeaky belt.
Yeah, but you know, it'll go away. Massage it a little more.
Do your mojo. It is warm.
Yeah! I can hear the Japanese ponies. We got the crowd though. We got the crowd.
Why does it feel so much better than mine? Belt's back.
Oh, the belt's back. It's America. I'm with Jose. He's on the channel. Say hi, Jose.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Where's Elliot though? We're missing Elliot. Elliot, if you're watching this video, you suck.
Yeah, gone. Couldn't make it.
You're dead to us. So the main thing we're out for right now is food. We're looking for a food vlog because I'm so hungry. We're trying to track this down. This is terrible. I want to be there.
I want to be there too.
But instead, we're right here. It's no good. I'm real hungry. Oh yeah, Elliot's here.
What up, bitches?
Furry.
Furry?
Furry.
What's up? It's literally the Supra from like, I don't know, we're like 800 feet away. I don't know. It's somewhere way over yonder. You can hear it.
Told you.
Got smoke.
I told you. Woo!
Smoked. That's still badass though. This is really risky. I'm doing it for you guys though. We got Mustang versus Mustang. Fucking launch hard. bike crew over here now. Things are getting a little bit hectic. A little bit hectic. These two goofballs. All right. I heard you like wide bodies. Yeah. So right now we're in what are we in?
We're in a 2007 Toyota Avalon.
2007 Avalon.
Racing.
We're about to go drag racing here at the strip, and it looks like we're going to be racing against a Corvette. So I have a feeling it's not really in our favor, but I think we're going to get him.
He might pop his tire.
Yeah, we're going to get him. Yeah. Just so everybody knows, we're racing with this AC on.
No, we're not.
On.
It's off.
No, it's on.
Cool.
Just so you know, we're LS swapped. So, no hurt feelings. All right? Oh man, he's got a helmet. Bro, he's got a helmet.
He's got a helmet. Yeah, my hat's not good enough.
He's got no chance.
You gotta blow.
This is legitimately happening, people. We're not joking.
We're about to do it.
We're finna to do it. Straight up Toyota Avalon, people. Avalon, fucking Corvette. He's going down. Let's do this. No pressure.
No pressure.
Doing out now. Oh man, we got the wheel hop off the line. Oh man. It's just not that bad though. It's not that bad. Oh man. What are you doing? Slow down. Oh man. He got us. Rematch, but this time against Acura, so I think we got this one. This one, I think this one's in the bag. Maybe. It looks pretty light. All right, all right. Where you go? Oh shit, he's shooting flames out the hood, dude. This isn't gonna go good. No, we still got him. We got him. We're pulling. We're pulling. We got him. We got him. Suck it. We got him. Well, everybody, I think this is an effective time to end this video. It's getting quite late. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like squad, give me a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.